Welcome back my dear friend. Need to turn live caption enable or disable on your Android phone? You are in the right place. In this quick tutorial I will show you the exact step to enable or disable the feature in just a few minutes. Let's get started and make sure your phone works exactly the way you want. First of all, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can find the accessibility option. Click to open them. In the menu, look for the hearing enhancement option. Tap to open it. After that, look at the top menu bar. Find the live caption option. Click to open them. Right now this option is turned off by default. To enable it, simply tap on the use live caption toggle button, then confirm by tapping got it, and automatically enable the live caption on your phone. After it's enabled, you can scroll down, see the various options such as language, caption preferences, expressive captions, height, profanity, live caption in volume control. You can also adjust them if you like. However, if you decide to disable the live caption on your phone, don't panic. This is very easy. To do that, return to the live caption page, then look at the top menu bar, find the toggle button, simply tap to disable them, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit the like button. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time.